Hello students, in this video I will discuss numericals based on reflection of light. As in my previous videos I have already discussed the theoretical part of reflection of light. With the help of this video you will be able to solve various types of numericals based on the image formation by spherical mirrors. As I have discussed in the previous videos that there are various types of image formation by both concave and convex mirror. Similarly, based on the same only, we will discuss some of the numericals of NCERT. As I have written here, various relations which is generally used for solving these numericals. Two of the questions I have written here. First relation is here about for finding of the focal length. As you know, focal length is the length between the pole to the focus of the mirror. So that is written as radius of curvature by 2. Here R is radius of curvature. Radius of curvature I have discussed. This is the distance between pole and center of curvature. So for finding out radius of curvature we will use this relation, and for finding out focal length we will use this particular relation. Second relation here is for mirror formula, which is given by 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u, where u is object distance, is the distance between the object and the mirror. It is denoted by small u. V is image distance, which means the distance between the image and the mirror. And here is the magnification of a mirror, which is given as the ratio of size of an image upon size of an object, or it can also be written as height of an image upon height of an object. It is also equivalent to the ratio of distances between the image and object. Negative sign here has been taken from the sign convention. When you will learn about the derivation of finding this relation, you will get more clear. Now let's read this question first. Find the focal length of a convex mirror whose radius of curvature is 32 cm. Means relations I have already written using this or this. Any of here, as it is asked that to find out the focal length, means this first relation will be used. So let's write that what is given in the question. It is given that radius of curvature, means r is equal to 32 cm is given in the question. We know that f is nothing, it is r by 2 simply. F is equal to 32 by 2 and dividing both we will get 16 cm, means f will be 16 cm. It is very small and basic numerical which may be asked in 1 mark. Next is here second question. Read this second question. A concave mirror produces 3 times magnified real image of an object placed at 10 cm in front of it. Means in front of mirror an object is placed which produces a magnified image of an object. How much magnified? 3 times magnified image. Where is the image located? Where will be that 3 times magnified image will be formed? For finding this we will use, as it has said that magnified, this magnified word has been used, means it is asked here discussion is about the magnification, means using this relation we can find it out. But how we have to use, let us see. First of all, let us assume that, or you can write what is given, object placed at 10 cm. So you can write object distance is given as 10 cm. Sign convention I will take later on. Next is produces an image 3 times magnified. How you will write this 3 times magnified? You know that m is equal to hi by ho. So as it is given that the image formed will be 3 times, means it will be 3 times the object distance. This. Now let us consider this H naught, means HO as simply H. Let us consider HO is equal to H. What we will get? We will get HI is equal to 3 times H. Now putting the value of HI and HO in this first, what we will get? M is equal to 3H upon H. Since the image is real, it is given in the question, and we know that if we consider this as a concave mirror, image formation will be this side, and this side of image is always said to be real image, and real image have magnification negative, so it will be equivalent to minus 3H upon H due to real image. You can write it like this. Due to the formation of real image, this minus sign will be used here, and this is also equivalent to means 3 minus 3H upon H will be equivalent to minus times V by U as given in this relation. Now solving this only, we will get the value of M, means what we have got M is equal to minus 3H upon H is equal to minus V upon U. Overall what we will get? M is equal to simply minus 3, means magnification of real image is negative, so it has come minus 3. Now using this relation, what M is equal to minus V by U, we can find out the value of image distance as it is asking the location of image. For finding out the location of image, we will find V. Putting the value of M, it is minus 3. Putting the value of V, we already have to find it out. We will write it as it is. U, what will be U? U is given, it is given here. But according to sign convention, again if we consider, it is taken on the left side of the mirror. Left side of the distances are always negative. So it will be U is equal to minus 10. So minus 10 centimeter. This minus sign will cancel this minus sign, and V will become minus 30, and unit will be centimeter. So what we have found it out? We have found out the location of an image, that where will be the image formed? The image will be formed at a distance of 30 centimeter from the mirror. And negative sign here indicates that this image form is real. It is already given in the question. So these are the two questions. Now let's solve other two questions. So students, here is another numerical problem. It is also from NCERT book. Read the question first. An object of size 7 cm is placed at 27 cm in front of a concave mirror. We are talking about their concave mirror of focal length 18 cm. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed? If they are asking for the position of a screen, means they want to ask you the image distance. Placed so that a sharply focused image can be obtained. Also, we have to find out the size and nature of the image. So let's begin in solving by writing down what are the values given. Given that what is given, first of all, object size is given, means HO is given to 7 cm. Sign convention we will consider later on. Placed at 27 cm means object distance is also given 27 cm. In front of a concave mirror, we know that this is a concave mirror. If an object will be placed in front of this concave mirror, the distances will be taken in negative. So this 27 cm will be taken as negative. What else is given? It is given focal length. So write down focal length F is equal to 18 cm. Again, it will have focus here, center of curvature here. means size of an image, so HI also we have to find out. Using this second relation here, it is written what is this mirror formula, means from mirror formula what we have 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. We can also write this equation as 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon f minus 1 upon u. Now putting the values of f and u in this equation, what we will get, 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon minus 18 minus times 1 upon minus 27. This minus minus will become plus, so just we can write it like this also, 1 upon v is equal to minus 1 upon 18 plus 1 upon 27. Now taking LCM, what we will get, we will get 54 and this will become minus 3 plus 2 and 1 upon v will become minus 1 upon 54. Same equation we can write it as this, v is equal to minus 54 and unit will be centimeter. So this is the position where a person should put a screen to get a sharp focused image. Now image position we have got it out, object distance we know, height of object we know, we have to find out the size using this equation. What? Hi upon ho is equal to minus times v upon u. We will use this relation and we will find out the size of an image. M is equal to minus v by u is equal to hi upon ho. M here it doesn't matter, so we cannot use it also. Putting the values of v, u and ho with their signs, using sign convention, what we will get, minus times minus of 54 upon u is minus times 27, hi we have to find it out and ho will be what? It is given 7 centimeter. Since again get it clear that object distance is here, means size of an object is perpendicular in the upward direction, means it is parallel to the positive y-axis, so ho will be taken as positive only, we will just write here 7. Solving this minus will cancel out this minus sign and hi will just become what? 2 and this minus sign will be there, so hi will be minus 14 centimeter. So if you want to write down the answers, what you will write, image distance is equal to minus 54 centimeter and height of an image is minus 14 centimeter and nature if you are asked, so here nature will be real and inverted. So here is another question, it is also from your NCERT. It is the case of convex mirror. An object 5 cm is placed at a distance of 20 cm in front of a convex mirror of radius of curvature 30 cm. Again in this question we have to find out the position, nature, size of the image. Same thing is here. Here if we compare it with the previous question, in that focal length was given, but in this question radius of curvature is given. So we will find out for focal length using this very first equation. But before finding, let us write down what is given. Given that object 5 cm means object size is 5 cm. You can write it down. Ho is equal to 5 cm placed at a distance of 20 cm. U will be 20 cm. Radius of curvature is 30 cm, means R is equal to 30 cm. Here only just find out the value of F. F will be R by 2. So it will be 30 by 2 and F will become 15 centimeter. Now find the position, means V is equal to, we have to find out, HI is equal to, we have to find out, and nature we will find out with the values only. So let us begin in solving with the second relation, which is said to be mirror formula. We know that 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon V plus 1 upon U. Again we have to find out 1 upon V. So 1 upon V is equal to 1 upon F minus times 1 upon U. Now we just have to put down the values of F and U. We will get the value of V. But before putting, let us consider a case of convex mirror. If you consider a convex mirror, object will always be placed on left side of the mirror. So this distance will be taken as negative. This distance will be considered as negative. Focus of this convex mirror will be on right side and this distance will be taken as positive. Now considering this sign convention only, we can write down here that object distance is given 20 cm, so it will be taken as negative, and focal length is on the right side, so it will be taken as positive only. Now putting the value of U and F in this equation, what we will get? 1 upon V is equal to 1 upon 15 minus times 1 upon minus 20. This minus minus will become 1 upon 20. Taking LCM, what we will get? 1 upon V is equal to, it will be 64 plus 3, and 1 upon F is equal to, V is equal to 7 upon 60. Or similar, same thing we can write it like this, 60 upon 7. Dividing this, what we will get? We will get 8.57 centimeter. This will be the distance of the image from mirror. Now next thing we have to find out is the size. For finding out the size, we can just use the same relation, ratio of height of image upon height of object is equal to minus B upon U, as it is written in the upside. Again, just putting the values with the sign convention. HI will be equivalent to HI upon HO. HO is given here 5 centimeter. We will write 5. V we have found out minus times 8.57. U is given minus 20, so it will be minus 20. Minus sign we cancel minus sign. Cross multiplication we will get 8.57 into 5 by 20. 5 will cancel 24 times and 4 will divide 8.57 by 2.14. So, or here only I am writing it down. HI will come out in centimeter. Now writing the answer, if you want to write the answer, we can write down V is equal to 8.57 centimeter, HI is equal to 2.14 centimeter, and nature if you want to write, nature will be virtual and erect. So these were the 4 basic numericals based on reflection of light. And it is needed for you to do more and more practice of same types of numericals so that your concept may get more clear. I hope you all have got all the 4 questions. Next topic I will discuss in other video. Thank you.